Convergence of moving average means where the moving average are coming nearer to each other. Okay, we have multiple options like 2 MA convergence, 3 MA, 4 MA, 5 MA. Just to understand, we are starting with 2 MA. The 2 MA average has come very near. It became more useful when we increase this number like 3 MA, 4 MA. Options are SMA, EMA, WMA. You can change the parameters, or also what is the difference between these moving average. It means how much close they are, less than 1%, less than 2%, and when did it happen, in last 3 bars, in last 5 bars. You can see the 3 moving average are very near. Now change it to 4 MA convergence in last 5 bars. It's a form of consolidation. As we increase the number of moving average like 3 MA, 4 MA, the consolidation is visible. Now we'll go to 5 MA convergence. And less than 2% because there are 5 MA and only one. Sometimes market situation is like it is not in range bound but in like very good uptrend, or say very bearish, strong bearish mode, and we don't know how much percentage they can be near, so we try the number of bar option, like the width must be lesser than 200 bar.